It's overcast with some moisture. He's got a wicket straight away. Fazal Haq Farooqi. This is an awesome stuff. This is a kind of a condition that he will love bowling in. So a first blood drawn straight away by Fazal Haq Farooqi.
Fantastic Farooqi. Here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium, striking early. That's a legal delivery, no problems there. He has to go. Noman Shah goes for a golden duck. It's 1 for 1.
Let's have a look. No answer, beaten by a wonderful in-swinging delivery from Fazal Haq Farooqi. We know Fazal Haq Farooqi can swing it both ways.
Knocks him over. Second wicket from the over. He's broken through once again. Fazal Haq Farooqi. He's fantastic. He's absolutely fantastic. As a fast bowler, you set the tone of the innings. He has taken two important wickets, 2 vital blows to the opposition. Their confidence is shattered.
Well, I was looking forward to Fazal Haq Farooqi's over, honestly speaking. The conditions are set for Fazal Haq Farooqi, and he would love it. Nothing wrong about it. Pretty much the entire foot behind the line. And Imran Mir coming down to bat at number 3 goes back after making only 1. Let's have a look at the wicket. Dragged it back onto the stumps. A bit unlucky. Imran Mir chopped it back onto the stumps. Sometimes these edges can run down to the boundary. It was not your lucky day, Imran Mir. Fazal Haq Farooqi, however, will take it. An over that has taken 2 wickets of Spingar Tigers. Strong batting lineup with only...
How important it is to maintain the balance, but there is no balance in the middle at the moment. Farooqi gets another one. After being drilled down the ground, his stumps are rattled. Stanakzai goes for 9. 4 down for 20.
Nothing wrong here. Fazal Haq Farooqi, he's enjoying these conditions. He's playing with the conditions nicely. 9 for Tariq Stanakzai. 2 glorious looking shots, but had to stay there for a longer period of time to give Spingar Tiger what they've been looking for. Look at this. Swung in and enough to disturb the furniture. Another wicket down. 20 for 4, Spingar Tigers.
Again taking the pace off the ball, playing across the line. When he's taking pace off, ball is staying low as well. Combination of factors, they got to factor in before going for the shots. He played an
things from here. Whoa, 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 whoa! Samiullah Shinwari has gone back to the pavilion. The long walk back to the pavilion by Samiullah Shinwari. Fazal Haq Farooqi is on fire. He is unplayable in these conditions.
amazing delivery. Movement away from the batter, angle towards him, movement away, edging, and caught by the wicketkeeper. He's gone for a golden duck. They're falling apart. Look at this once again. See movement, just holding into the pitch and straightening up, feeling for the delivery. Thick outside edge. Jubilation time. They're jumping in joy at the moment.
Oh, clean ball! Excellent delivery. او خپل 5 وکټې ترلاسه کړلې. لومړی توپ اچونکی سو په دغه نهم پړاو شپږیزه کرکټ لیګ کې فضل حق فاروقي.
فضل حق فاروقي د لوبو په منځ کې د شپږیزې د نهم پړاو د سیالیو په منځ کې راتګ او بیا د ډېرو وکټو اخیستونکو توپ اچوونکو په ډله کې ځان ته ځای خپلول نو ضرور به د نړیوال جام ذهنیت ورسره وي ځکه چې د نړۍ توپ اچوونکو ونه شول کولی. که څه هم په پای لوبه کې د هند لوبغاړي ارشدیپ سنګ 19 وکټې ترلاسه کړې خو هغه لوبې ډېرې کړې وې او د یوازې